Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here with smiling face. Be happy, guys. Eventually, you are going to get your desired band in IELTS and you're going to land in your destination or in your destination country. Okay, so be happy, cheer up, right? Yeah, throughout the movie, hero struggles, right? He tries to please the girl, heroine and all that, but finally eventually they get married. Okay, and then after that movie finishes. They never start after getting married because that is the climax. Okay, finding the girl of your dream. So your dream girl is, or dream boy is, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, right? Exactly. So you will achieve your dream. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to tell you, if you're struggling with IELTS writing and you want to get your desired band in IELTS writing and you are one band behind your desired band, like you need 7 you get 6, you need 6 you get 5, you need 5 you get 4 and all that. Once one of my students sent me his result, 4, 4, 3.5, 3.5, overall 4, and I said, oh, I responded to his message and I said, oh, I'm sorry. He said, why sorry? I'm so happy. I achieved my desired band. I said, what was your desired band? He said, 4. Okay, so he got his desired band. Anyways, now let's make a start. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get good band score in one of the 4 IELTS writing marking criterias, and these criterias are coherence and cohesion. So what is coherence and cohesion, and how to get better band score, like how to jump from 5 to 6, 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. All right, you can just see it here. We are going to discuss coherence and cohesion. Now let's make a start. We'll discuss 5 band coherence and cohesion, then we'll go on. You should understand, because sometimes you can be at band 5 level and you want to go to band 6 level and all that. So band 5 coherence and cohesion is here in front of you. What is it? Okay, yeah, what is it? Presents information with some organization, but there is a lack of progression. What is progression? You present your idea, you explain that idea, you give a relevant example, and then you conclude that idea. So there is no progression. Some people, they keep on explaining ideas. I agree because of this, I agree because of that, I again agree because of this and all that. So there should be proper progression, which is important. Inaccurate or overuse of cohesive devices. Now what are cohesive devices? Furthermore, moreover, additionally, right? First of all, secondly, finally, for example, and all that, these are cohesive devices, right? So if you overuse them, like someone says, use linking words and you will get better band score, it's not that. Okay, so inaccurate or overuse of cohesive devices can bring you 5 band. Next, lack of referencing and or substitution. Now what is referencing? Such type of people who live in Canada. Now what is referencing? Such type of people. Water evaporates into clouds. This process means water evaporates into clouds. So this process, this is what we call referencing. So you need to use referencing. Instead of noun, you need to use pronouns. And then substitution. What is substitution? That you're not using nouns all the time. Like Canada is a beautiful country, Canada is dreamland, Canada is one of the countries which is full of opportunities, Canada is this, Canada is that. Canada, this country, over there. When you go over there means Canada. When you land in this country, Canada. So you need to use replacements and substitution. And then inadequate paragraphing. Introduction, conclusion and body paragraphs. And body paragraphs depend on your essay writing style, or they depend on the type of essay you are writing. So these things are important. Okay, now this is for band score 5. Now let's see what is for band score 6 here. Yeah. For bench score 6, presents information coherently. Ideas are connected and there is clear overall progression. Clear progression means you go on introduction, first body paragraph, first body sentence, first argument, explanation, example and conclusion. Uses cohesive devices effectively, but cohesion can be faulty or mechanical. Faulty means it's not right. You're not using cohesive devices properly. First of all, moreover, for example, these words are not used properly here and may not use referencing clearly. Again, referencing is very important. Such type of people, this process, right? This process, inmates of such type of places, for example, people who live in slums, they come up with many problems, and the inmates of such type of places often catch diseases. Inmates of such type of places means slums. So try to use it like this. And paragraphing can be illogical. Now what is an illogical paragraph? Where you write 5 sentences, 5 advantages, but they are not properly connected. Okay, connect your ideas. You should know first sentence should talk about second sentence should elaborate the third, like second sentence should elaborate first one, third should elaborate second one, and fourth sentence should talk about the first ones, and the last sentence should actually link your paragraph with the main topic. Okay, this is all about bench score 6. And now we move on to bench score 7. Let's see what do they say about bench 7. Logically organizes information and has clear progression throughout. Now logically organizes information. Same logic. Introduction, general sentence about the topic. Paraphrasing the topic, thesis sentence. This is logical. Right? And then clear progression, like examiner knows this is the example, this is the concluding paragraph, this is elaboration, this is introduction and all that. Uses a range of cohesive devices appropriately. Okay, not that 10 words to get 7 band in IELTS and all that. Throughout there may be some under or overused. Even for 7 band, some cohesive devices you underuse, you overuse and all that. Presents a clear central topic within each paragraph. Very important point. Presents a clear central topic within each paragraph means one body paragraph should contain one main idea, period. Full stop. Okay? Yeah. So this is important for bench score 7. And if you want to go for bench score 8, but you don't need bench score 8, huh? That much is enough. No? Alright, if you target 8, you may get 7. If you target higher, you will reach somewhere at the height. Okay, yeah. So, bench score 8 sequences information and ideas logically, as I mentioned before. Next, manages all aspects of cohesion well. All aspects of cohesion, and they are managed very well. I'm telling you, this is what we call CC, coherence and cohesion. Vocabulary is different. I'll make separate videos on them as well. And uses paragraphing sufficiently. After each paragraph, give 1 line space. Your paragraph should be proper. And in each paragraph, write 4 sentences. Okay, 4 sentences, and these sentences must be compound and complex. That is related to grammar. Okay, and appropriately. So if you follow all these things in CC, that is coherence and cohesion, you can score 7, 6, 7, or you can even score 8, right? Okay, thank you so much guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, and we provide IELTS exam booking service in Pakistan. If you wish to get any of these services, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.